Hello guys, this video is all about lashes. What is lash? Lash is like within our social media, within our platform. Is whenever you are going to like something, you are going to send a lash. Lash is like Lana and Cash put it together because you are literally sending lanoshes to someone. And what is lanoshi? For the people you don't know, one lana has 100 million lanoshes. It's like cent in euro. So let's first set up how many lanoshes is one lash for you. So you go here on your profile. On profile, you go on edit profile and you will see here exchange rate. I put it 100,000 lanoshes for one lash. I'm going actually to put 1 million. That is actually, with 1 million lanoshes, I can make 100 likes before I'm going to spend 1 lana. Right now that is nothing, but in the future it's going to be a lot. But yeah, you can always change that. But I'm going to be generous right now, and I'm going to give 1 million lanoshes to everyone. By default is, I think, 10,000 lanoshes or 100,000 when you play the game. However, you can change whenever you want. Okay. It seems that I didn't. Okay. Okay, now that's stored. And now I can navigate myself to, let's say, to social. You can send lashes only to the people into the Lana world. Why? Because they're the only one who is having wallets. So you cannot send to someone that doesn't have that, you know. So you have to click here on Lanas, or you are going to see on all the ones who are going to have this button, you know, this heart. To those people you can literally send lanoshes, otherwise you cannot. There are some people here. Let me see. Okay, here I can send to this one. And once I click on that, I can see immediately here on that link that there is one lash pending to be sent. Right now, you don't need to take care. The system is going to automatically send these lashes to the people. So if you just want to see if there is some pending, you click on that. And then you are having here the ones that are waiting to be sent, and here's another tab. So these are the received lashes. So if you have received lashes from someone else, you can go here and check, you know, how people have been sent to you, different lashes, in what amount, and so on. So you can see here's quite a lot of lashes from many different people that I have. Okay, this is how actually lashes are working. To access that, you can just simply click on that. Here you can see sending batch payment. We will see, because the transaction was made, yeah. So right now, if I navigate back to pay lashes, there's no unpaid lashes. So this is the general idea how this thing should work, and just use it. Enjoy.